Where do you find buyers for wholesaling? You might be surprised to learn that 90% of my buyers list comes from the 3 tips that I'm going to give in this video. If you do these 3 things regularly, you will easily get 1,000 buyers on your list fast. In this video, you are gonna learn who these buyers are, you're gonna learn where we find them, and I'm gonna go into deep detail on my 3 favorite ways that I have built my massive buyers list. Now, why would you wanna watch this video? Well, I'm gonna give you 2 reasons. If co-wholesaling interests you, and you can watch my previous video, what is co-wholesaling, you might want to listen up. Or if you want to make more money and really maximize your wholesale fee, you need to have a massive buyers list. So let's get into it. Who are these buyers that are going to be on your list? These buyers are real estate investors. Specifically, they are landlord buyers, they are house flippers, and they're developers. Those are the 3 main categories of investors that you are going to be looking for. Now, where do you find them? Networking, okay? Networking, meetups, real estate investment associations are great ways to find these people. Now, how exactly are you gonna find them though through networking? I would suggest checking out Facebook first. Facebook is a hub for real estate investors, and most real estate investment associations, even locally, have a local Facebook page that you can visit and you can network with people that way. You can also go to the meetups in person and meet them there. So let's get into my favorite way to add to my buyers list. Favorite way number 1. Real estate investment associations on Facebook. I'm going to call this RIA for short because that is a long word to say. I love going to the local RIA Facebook page, and in there is a ton of buyers just hanging out looking for deals. What we regularly do is anytime we get a contract, we will post the details in that group and we'll say who's interested. And a bunch of people always reply in the comments, and we scrape those email addresses and add them to our buyers list. I also make it intentional habit of every day going on those Facebook groups and scraping when other people post their deals. Because if other people post deals and people say they're interested, they likely might be interested in mine as well. My second favorite way to build a massive buyers list is pulling an absentee owner list within the last 6 months in the territory that you're in. And I send direct mail, I send them a text, and I give them a call and see if they're buying any more properties. Usually this is a very welcomed call. These people want more deals. So when I'm calling and I'm saying, hey, we have deals that we could sell you, it's usually very welcomed and they're very, very excited to talk to us. Now, my favorite way, number 3, and this one is ninja, you guys, go section8.com. Okay, I didn't even know about this, but someone gave me this tip and it's been something I've been doing for years now. It's worked really, really well for my team. Section8.com is a list of available Section 8 properties. And if you go in it and you put your city in the search bar, you'll come up with a bunch of properties that have available vacancies or rentals for Section 8 properties. In there, you can contact the actual landlord if you're interested in renting one of them. But what we do is we contact the landlord and say, hey, are you buying any more Section 8 rentals? Typically, Section 8 landlords want more Section 8 properties. It's a niche and they want more deals. And I can't blame them. It's an amazing niche to be in. So that is my favorite, by far, secret tip that not a lot of people do. And you guys, I promise you, if you guys do this regularly, you will add to your buyers list very effectively. And these are some of the best buyers to have on your list. So again, it's www.gosection8.com. My team was really struggling with making a consistent high fee in the territory that we were in. We were virtual and we really had to establish from zero a buyer base. And I would say it wasn't until our buyers list had about 300 names on it that we could consistently move deals. Once our list got to about 1,000, that was a game changer. There was a clear difference from 300 to 1,000 people on that buyer's list. It really resonated with me why it's so important to keep building your buyer's list. So what I personally do as a regular practice is I have a virtual assistant who's from the Philippines, and she does everything that she can do online. So all of the networking that I'm talking about on Facebook is done by a VA. She does it every single day. It's an intentional practice that she does. She goes on Go Section 8. She does all those things to build our buyers list regularly. So that way our buyers list is staying fresh with some of the newest talent in the area. Now, guys, the comments are just as important as this video. So I want you guys to put in the comments below, what are some ways that you have added buyers to your buyers list? How can you help others by giving some awesome tips on the best ways to add to your buyers list? Be creative and comment below. And if you guys want to learn more about wholesaling, why don't you guys check out my mini course? It's free. Go to laurenhardyofficial.com and check it out. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.